Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can fix the TransulentTB not working on your Windows 11. So if you are having that same problem, that is TransulentTB not working on your Windows 11, then this guide is for you. We have covered all the fixes to fix the issue. So let's get started. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more tech solutions. Our first solution is to disable the ST test using Vive tool. So first of all, you have to go to this link. Okay, if you are not able to find this website, we also have given the same link in the description. Go to that particular page and tap on GitHub page. And once you are in this page, you have to download the latest version, and the latest version is 1.6.2 probably. So get this version. So let me click on it and it will start the download. Once it has downloaded, you have to install it on your computer. So I have downloaded, so let me double click and install it. You have to give permission to install it and then accept the agreement. Tap on next. It says that I already have because I installed it before, so I'll replace it again. Okay, next and next. Okay, next, install. So now open the Vive tool. It will open and will pop up some error. Just ignore it. Okay, now you have to tap on this particular feature, or you can tap on F12 key. So let me tap over here. So it will open this placeholder. You have to type some numbers. I have already shared it. So here you go. Copy it and paste it over here, and you have to change this. Tap on here, deactivate feature. Tap on here and it's deactivated. Now close it, restart your computer and check whether this issue, TransulentTB issue, has been resolved. In my case, it's already been resolved, so I'm not going to restart. So in your case, you have to restart it and see if the problem is fixed or not. If it is not fixed, then you can go to the next step, that is fix 2 is re-register the taskbar. To re-register the taskbar, you have to open the notepad. Okay, open the notepad and copy paste this following code. So copy paste it. Okay, copy paste it. Now file, click on it and then click on the save as. Once you click on the save as, now you have to change the text into BAT file. So here you go, clear tilecache.bat. Copy it and paste it. And once you paste it, save it to the correct location. That is, if you want to easily track this BAT file, save it to the desktop. So I'll do that and save. Now let's close this. And now you have to run the clear tilecache.bat as an administrator. So here is it. Okay, here you go. This file. Right click on the mouse, run as administrator and give permission. Once you give permission, wait for some time. It will do everything and then you can see that taskbar has been restarted. Now you see the Transulent is working over here. So this is how you fix it. If this is fixed, then you don't have to follow the next step. If it is not fixed, then you have to follow the next step, that is restart the taskbar. To restart the taskbar, it's very easy. Open the task manager. You can open it by Control Shift and Escape. Okay. Okay, Control Shift and Escape. That will open the task manager. If not, you can hover the mouse to the taskbar and right click on it and tap on the task manager. Here you go, it has opened the task manager. It's easy. Now you have to search for the Windows Explorer. It should be in the bottom, so go to the bottom and you will find the Windows Explorer. Tap on it and restart. So here you go, the button restart task. Tap on it, it will restart. See, once it is restarted, you will see the Transulent is working. If it is working, you are good to go. Congratulations. If it is not working, then the next method will help you fix it. The fix for is repair or reset the TransulentTB. For that, you have to open the Windows settings. In my case, I will open it with shortcut, that is Windows and I key on the keyboard. Okay, I am doing it and it has opened the system. Now here you have to tap on apps again and install the apps and look for TransulentTB over here. So it should be here. Okay, here you go, TransulentTB. Now tap on this 3-dot icon and now open the advanced option, and now here scroll down and you will find repair. Tap on it, it will start repairing, and once it has been repaired, see whether the Transulent taskbar is working. If it is not working, then reset. After reset, you have to check whether it is working or not. If it is not working, then my next solution is to update the Windows. Updating Windows is always important. You have to take it as a main first thing itself. You have to update Windows, because updating Windows is very important, because outdated version can have issues. Here it is already written, you can see outdated version of Windows often results in poor computer performance and many issues. So including taskbar that is TransulentTB not working. So you have to make sure that your Windows is updated. To check whether Windows is updated, you have to go into the settings. Okay, now tap on the Windows update and see if there is any update. Okay, make sure to install all the update and check whether the problem is been resolved or not. If not, you can also uninstall Windows update. That is 6th step, that is uninstall Windows update. For example, after updating the Windows update, after getting the Windows update, you are having this issue. That means something has been altered the TransulentTB. So incompatibility issue. You have to uninstall the Windows update. To uninstall the Windows update, you have to go to the update history and see whether you can uninstall update. So click on uninstall update and here you go, it will show all the updates, recent updates, and you can install one by one. So after installing uninstall one by one. Okay, after uninstalling one by one, you have to check whether this has been fixed or not. Then if you are running any preview or insider program, I suggest you to stick to stable update, because beta update will always have trouble. So make sure to leave the insider program. This will help you to install Windows 11's stable update. Never install beta unless you are not a developer. So if you are a developer, you can install it, that is not an issue. If you are not a developer, you have to uninstall it. Okay, you have to install only the stable version. Okay, in my case, I am running stable OS, so I am not going to use it. So the next step is to use dark mode. I suggest you to check whether using dark mode you can fix the issue or not. That's it. And you can follow up the other guides. Update your graphics card, that is also fine, because you can go and update the graphics card in device manager. Search for the device manager and tap on it and look for the graphics display adapters and see if you can install the latest version on, or if not, if you are running NVIDIA graphics, always make sure that you update to the latest version. Open the GeForce Experience and see whether you have the latest version or not. If you are having a latest version, download it and install it. Okay, so I'm going to install because I always keep updating my drivers because I run all the games on my computer. Okay, that's why I need this to be updated regularly. And then the next step is to disable your antivirus. So disable the antivirus and see, restart your computer and see if the problem can be resolved. This is not really important, but you can try it. In some cases it will be helpful, but not sure whether it will be helpful in your case. And the last and the final step is to reinstall the TransulentTB and see. Also check whether there is a new version of the TransulentTB, because there will be sometime release a bug fix to fix the TransulentTB not working for some cases. So make sure you reinstall it and see whether you can fix the issue, because you can go to the TransulentTB GitHub page and see whether you have a latest version or not. If you have a latest version, make sure to install the latest only. Okay, that's it friends. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and also press the bell icon for more video in the future. That's it friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.